Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to change or verify your payment Google account or the Gmail on Snapchat, then this video is for you. But probably if you want to change it, then you can follow the on-screen instruction, and here you can find the instruction here that the steps provided by the Snapchat support. So you can see that it is important to have a valid email address associated with your Snapchat account. If you forget your password, your email address can be used to access your account again. So if you want to change it, then you can do is or your click on your profile screen, then tap your profile icon at the top left corner, then you can find a gear icon. Simply click on that to get to the settings, and you can find the email. Now tap the field that says email address and enter a valid email address, and that's all. And if you have associated address associated with the account, and other can find your Snapchat account using your email address by default, and you can opt out of this in settings at any time. And that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.